Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to hide the WhatsApp button. So as you can see in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see that there is a WhatsApp button. What happens is if a customer clicks on it, it opens up their web.whatsapp and it basically tries to contact your shop contact mobile number through WhatsApp. Now this is a very easy way for your customers to get in touch with you using WhatsApp. But if you feel that this is not something that you require on your website, then what you can do is go into settings, go into user experience. So I'm going into settings, user experience, and in user experience, I'm going to go right down and I'm going to say hide WhatsApp chat. By doing that, what happens is this WhatsApp chat icon disappears. Once again, I don't recommend you doing that, but if your customers don't use WhatsApp to get in touch with you, then this is a very easy way to do that. Thank you.